Hello there, people that like to watch Transformer reviews on YouTube. I'm Mitch Santona, and today we're taking a look at Combiner Wars Air Raid. This guy's got a comic book from IDW's. Oh, there he is on the back. It shows how you make Superion if you so chose to do that. I do choose to do that, and here is a little bio in a very... Hey, he's got a nice bio there. He's actually got a comic book. So this is one of the better deluxes. Some of them just don't have either. I believe he does come with a collectible card as well, so let's pop him out and check it out. Look at this comic book. It's got some nice artwork here. Lots of fun stuff going on. What's going on here? Mirage is just getting absolutely destroyed by something or another. Was this like kind of after when Ironhide got all mad at him and sour and beat him up, and then Sunstreaker kind of, oh, I don't know, blew up and then came back from the dead? And I might be spoiling stuff here from you. It's not even this comic line, even close to being this comic line at all. This is before Bumblebee, I think, becomes Goldbug. Maybe another spoiler. Sorry if you're reading the ongoing or whatever this is from, but I don't know. But this is cool anyway, and it's actually got more bio here and nice colored pictures of this dude. I wish they all had this stuff. Oh yeah, we got Jet Mode coming at ya. Looks like a beautiful sleek jet from the top. And then you look at it from the side and it starts to get a little less sleek. Looks like there's a chunk of robot hanging down underneath him. And then you look at it from the bottom and now you can clearly see it's a folded up chunk of robot. Looks like it's getting towed by this otherwise sleek looking jet from the top. So like his buddy, this is Air Raid, right? This is what we're talking about, Air Raid? I can't remember. Is it Air Raid or Skydive? Yeah, it's Air Raid. I gotta look at the instructions. I get them mixed up, but both these figures happen to be very similar as well in transformation and in look. I guess the aesthetic of both of them. They both have this giant hunk of robot hanging down. So I don't like their vehicle modes that much. No, this guy did come with a couple of accessories. He comes with a white hollow gun as opposed to his buddy who came with a black hollow gun. Didn't like either of those. And of course he does come with a hand, foot, claw thing that you can put on there. Aerial Bot is done and in the books, and now we can combine them. So the next video you will see of Aerial Bots will be of Superion, and I'm super excited to do that for you. This guy looks cool. I like him a lot. He's got a little bit of a different aesthetic than his buddy did, Skydive, Air Raid, Skydive. Who am we doing here again? Oh, this is Air Raid. Yeah, sorry. I'm joking around now, guys. Come on. So he's got a little bit of a different aesthetic, and this guy's got some actual posability on his back with his wing junk. So you can kind of angle this around the way you like it. You can actually have it down like this as well, which I'm kind of digging. That looks a little bit more like a, I don't know, cape-like or something here. I don't know. That looks to me like old school Aerial Bot a little bit more. So I'm kind of leaning towards having it down like that. I don't know why. Now, like his buddy Air Raid, I mean Skydive. This guy has. Let me grab him. I'm looking for him. I'm searching through all my stuff. Here we go. Here's his friend. Here's his buddy here. He's got the same kind of feet and the same transformation and all of that stuff going on. A little bit different here in the shoulders with this guy and a little bit different in the back junk. But for the most part, these dudes were, I'd say, very, very similar. Remolds, not, just remolded a little bit. Now, as far as who I like better out of these two, I gotta go with him. I kind of like him better. I don't know why. I just don't know why. This guy just, for some reason, just didn't do it for me. He's cool. Don't get me wrong, he's cool, but he's my least favorite still. So this guy is my second least favorite. I like the other guys better. We're going to get them all together, though, right now, and I will show that off. Just a quick little teaser to the Superion video, because I will show all of these guys in comparison in all of their modes and all of that stuff. So stay tuned if you want to see more. Let's have a face close-up. That's a solid head sculpt there for a G1 aerial bot. I'm digging it all day long. Kind of a little determined sneer going on in his face. Loving the square heads of the Scramble City throwback there. And here's his articulation. You're seeing it as I'm seeing it, as I'm doing it. I'm not saying it. I'm not showing what I'm showing it. I'm not saying it. So you can see what exactly is going on. Nothing at the feet here. Just kidding around. No wrists here either. And but cool figure. He got lots of posability, and I like it. That's it for me, folks. Stay tuned for the combined video. I'm gonna do a little Gestalt action going on for Superion and Menasor, and also Defensor coming up as well. So, Combiner Wars Air Raid in the books. Oh, wait a second. Oh, how silly of me! I mixed them up again. I'll see you guys later with some more Transformers goodies.